Look at this set, 9 exhibits, BKMU, that's two Bs, so BG, BK, KP. That's how nines are placed in a line, not necessarily in that order. Each exhibit is either Mauryan or Chalukyan, but not both. 6 exhibits are weaponry, 3 are pottery. Bangrahi and Mahashtami are Chalukyan pottery. Urumi and Zua are Mauryan. Khando, Chakram and Multani are Chalukyan. The viewing order of the 9 must conform the following rules. Chalukyan and Mauryan exhibits must alternate in viewing. Okay, so what we have, this one Chalukyan, this one Chalukyan, this one Mauryan, 2 Mauryan we have got. Acha, 5 Chalukyan we have got. So out of which these 2 are pottery. So these 3 are weaponry. These 2 pottery, weaponry we don't know. Order also we don't know. Okay. So nothing much we can represent. Okay, let me write at least what I have. BG and MH are Chalukyan and they are pottery. KH, CH and ML is also Chalukyan. UR, ZH are Mauryan. That is what we have. Achha, 5 Chalukyans are there. So that means orders are like this: 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All odd place Chalukyan. All even place Mauryan. Let us look at the problems now. Cannot proceed. Very limited information we have. Which of the following statement does not provide sufficient information to determine which, with respect to each and every exhibit, whether the exhibit is Chalukyan or Mauryan, or whether the exhibit is weaponry or pottery? Urumi is a Mauryan pottery. Urumi, if I have Mauryan pottery. So now we have these 3 potteries. These 3 are potteries. And if we have Urumi is a Mauryan pottery, so rest 4, this Chalukyan and this 3. Acha, we have 5 Chalukyan. So not only Urumi and Zedais, MH given, Khanda given, BG given, BN. BN is also then Mauryan. Indirectly, we have this information because we have got 5 Chalukyan. And there has to be 5 Chalukyan at max, minimum 4 Mauryan has to be there because they are taking alternate positions. So this is Mauryan. And if I have these 3 as pottery, the rest are coming as weaponry. So this information is good enough. Khanda is a Chalukyan pottery. If we have Khanda is a Chalukyan pottery, that means these 3 are pottery, rest all are weaponry. That also good enough to find out the information. Bangkuran is a Mauryan pottery. 2 potteries we have, third pottery we have got. So now we have all the distributions. Zua is a Mauryan weaponry. Won't help. Won't help, because which is a third pottery we don't know. Which is a third pottery we don't know. So D is not enough. D is the one which is not enough. Okay. Next. Although I can actually write BN here, because BN is this Mauryan, that is for sure, which is a third pottery we don't know. As soon as we get the third pottery, immediately we can conclude about the as soon as we get the third pottery, we can immediately conclude about the weaponry. How many different complete list of Mauryan weaponry are possible? Mauryan weaponry. If this one is pottery, all three can be potteries. 1, 2, 3. So we have got three cases. None can be pottery. We have one more case. One more thing, we are also very sure this KP is also Mauryan, because 4 Chalukyan we have. So now the thing is, we have 2 pottery, we need one more. This can be from this one. So 1 Mauryan pottery, 3 weapon, or this one Mauryan pottery, raise 3 weapon, or this one Mauryan pottery. So 1 pottery, if I select, I can take it in 4C1 way. And if I ensure the third pottery is also from here, so all 4 of them are weaponry is 4C4 ways. So total 5. Option C. Next problem. Which of the following must be false? Khanda is exhibited in 6th. Khanda is Chalukyan. Chalukyan always take odd position. So Khanda cannot come in 6th. Kipinga can come in 4th. MH can come in 3rd. No issue. Chakram can be in 7th. No issue. Assume that Bankuram is Mauryan pottery. So already 2 potteries we had. This is the third pottery. All pottery executed after all weaponry. Then which of the following is acceptable viewing order? So obviously this is BG, this is BN, and this is MH. Although these two can be swapped. So last 3, BG, BN, MH, where we have? Not this one. Not this one. BN must come between, it's not this one. This is a possible one. MH and among MH and BG, BN is coming. This one is also a possible one. This one ruled out. MH will not come here. So this one is also ruled out. Among these two, which one is possible? Khanda fine. Khanda is Chalukyan. Multani is also Chalukyan. So this one is also not fine. So C is the only possible. C is the only possible. Assume that Bankuran is Mauryan pottery, no more than 2 weaponry maybe. Bankuran is Mauryan pottery, previous assumption, exhibit consecutively. Then at me, every weaponry must be exhibited immediately before or after weaponry. Which of the following must be true? Bankuran is exhibited either 4th or 6th. Possible? Bankuran, Mauryan pottery, pottery, no more 2 weaponry may be exhibited consecutively. And if every weaponry must be executed immediately before or after weaponry, so minimum 2 weaponry must be there together. How many weaponaries we have? 6. So it will be weaponry, pottery, weaponry, pottery, weaponry, pottery, or maybe pottery, weaponry, pottery, weaponry, weaponry, and then pottery, weaponry, weaponry. So if that's so, Bankuran fourth or sixth. Bankuran is what? Pottery, Mauryan pottery. Mauryan months come in the event places. Mauryan pottery can come in fourth place. Mauryan pottery can come in sixth place also. Mauryan pottery cannot come here. Mauryan pottery cannot come here. So this one is true. So 1 is true. That means 3 only not possible. Mahasthani is executed either third or seventh. Mahasthani is Chalukyan pottery. Chalukyan pottery will come in the odd places. Chalukyan pottery. Chalukyan must come in odd places. Odd place pottery is this one, or odd place pottery is this one. Mahasthani Chalukyan pottery. Chalukyan pottery can come first. No, it's not necessarily it is either third or seventh. It can come in first position, and it can start with pottery. So 2 is not correct. So either it is 1 only or it is 1 and 3 only. 3 says Urumi executed second or 8th. Urumi. Urumi Mauryan weaponry. Mauryan weaponry. Second position Mauryan weaponry can come. 8th position Mauryan weaponry can come. Or it can come in 6th position also. So third is also not correct. It's only one.